Alright guys, I'm gonna update a little bit of my Binance Futures trading. As you can see here, we make $30 profit, as you can see right there, in September 6 and 7. I actually opened the position yesterday night, okay? And if you see the gap there, if you notice the gap from August 26 to September 6, I don't trade, okay? I didn't trade because the market is in the sideways. And yesterday I start 2 coins, guys. Okay, I start 2 coins. Let me show you. I run 2 coins, which is Solana and Atom. Okay, BTC was, you can see, indecisive. It is sideways, so I don't trade BTC. I go to Solana, and you can see for Solana it is obvious, very obvious. You can see here, and you can see the RSI. Okay, so I open a short position right here. You can see we already make $24 profit from Solana. And this is just less than 24 hours. Okay, if I show you the history, if I scroll all the way down, you can see it's 6th of September and today is 7th of September. And you can see the time, it was yesterday night. Okay, I start the bot at night. And by the way, we are using bot, guys. Okay, we don't use manual trading. I'm gonna show you on my Binance here. I just moved my Binance to my other phone. Let me record my other phone. Okay, let me open my Binance. Let me refresh this. So you can see they are still floating. I already single run them. I'll just wait them to close in profit. Let me show you my trade history. So let me find Atom, Solana. Okay, I will show you the proof, guys. We have how many days we don't trade? 6, maybe around 10 days. We don't trade around 10 days. You can see a lot of things happening. You cannot do this manually, okay? You need a bot to do this. You cannot look at the chart like what I did yesterday. I went to sleep, guys, and then I woke up and then I look at my phone. I made $30 profit with over $100 capital. Okay, just $100. Let me show you. You can see I keep scrolling and scrolling. Okay, so it's just showing us yesterday one. There's no more data, unfortunately. You know what? Let me show you here. If I search it, you can see Atom and Solana. Let me search for Solana. Solana USDT. You can see it's the same, right? With the bot, it's the same, guys, because we do API binding, guys. Everything is linked together. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, let me show you August 26, 25. Okay, so let me scroll all the way down. There you can see the last time we trade is in August 29th. Okay, this one is manual. You can see I take $9 profit from Sand. You can see right there, right? And then we jump the date from 8th of August, we jump into 6th of September. All right, let me stop the recording. So you can see right there. Now if you look at my phone here, Solana, let me go to 4 hour. Let's remove drawing. Actually, my Solana have floating first. Okay, you can see the time we opened at around 9:59. The price is $33. Alright, let me zoom in. Somewhere around here. And then it goes down. This is where we make the profit. Now, if you think about it, okay, if you use manual, you only open here, and then you need to wake up tomorrow and then look at it, and then you take the profit. You take profit only one time, right? You only take profit one time. And it's not as much as if you use bot, where you know, the candlestick go up and down, 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 go up and down. You know, it's much more. All right, let me show you the candlestick. It is much more profitable. Okay, it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. If you especially look at the 1 minute chart, it's so much volatility. You can you see this? So much volatility where you can take so much more profit. You can see here on my phone, we have a $1 profit, 0.8, 0.8, $8 profit. This is crazy. A $1 profit. Again, it is based on averaging. Already make a lot of video teaching you. That's awesome. That's Solana, guys. Okay, that's Solana. And the same thing for Atom. If we look at the 1 hour chart, as you can see, it just goes down by literally 8% in 1 day. Okay, which is awesome. You can see the Atom. Let me show you my Atom. Atom is not that, you know, it go down not that much. We only make $7 profit from Atom, less than 24 hours, guys. Again, I only open short position, guys. As I told you time and time again, we are still in the bear market. All right, we are still in the bear market. If you look at Bitcoin here, you can see, you know, it was going sideways, then it broke it. Okay, let's go down to daily. So you can see we are still in the bear market, guys. Okay, we are still in the bear market. So I look at this. Okay, I always look at the RSI and see if it is good time to open short position. Again, and again, I mention it that you must open short when it is oversold and when you see the red candle forming like this. Okay, this is the confirmation. You can go to YouTube, guys, and learn more about Heikin-Ashi candlestick. Okay, you can learn about it, which one is a strong indication of reversal, which one is not a strong indication. The same thing as well for Solana. Okay, yesterday my queue to enter was this. Okay, the RSI. When I look at this, I knew it's going to go down. Okay, I just knew it. It's going to go down. Sometimes it doesn't go down straight away. Sometimes it will still going up, but it's okay. The bot will still do averaging, which I already mentioned in this channel. Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna okay, if you go to playlist, go to crypto future here, click this one, crypto future. I'll put a link down below. You can learn step by step how I use the bot to trade. So I show you how to make money with the bot, how to run the bot, and some private tutorial inside a Telegram group, and etc, guys. Everything will be in here. Hopefully this video gonna give you some ideas when to short crypto. All right.